PredictHQ now tracks live TV viewership for sporting events with live TV events. You can learn more on our website, but for now, let's take a quick look at how this works. You may be used to our search tab here in Control Center, where you can track real-world events. Here you can filter by all of our categories, labels, rank, date range, and more. For now, let's check out this second tab, Live TV Events. Here, you can do the same, filtering by live TV events for the sports category. By scrolling through, we can look at individual games, click into them to get information, and see where it's occurring, as well as the viewership per county in the United States. Going back, we can also filter by a particular location, such as Los Angeles County, and look at the viewership for sports games over the next 14 days. Again, if we click into this, we can then see the event as well as where the highest TV viewership is within every county. Now let's also see quickly how this works within our API. Let's say that you want to look for a date range of February 1st through February 14th with a time zone of Los Angeles. If we put in a lat long of Los Angeles here and click go, we can get all of this similar information we just showed in Control Center. Where the event is occurring, the county that we're looking at, what the information of the actual sport game is, and more. Now let's say that we want to look at a particular event, such as the Super Bowl. We can also filter that down to get this one event within Los Angeles, or take out the location to get the same event across all counties within the United States. We're excited to have you play around as well, and feel free to talk to a PredictHQ expert to learn more.